Hey everybody, it's day 2, and that chicken is getting a second chance. I love a second chance.
Pull up a chair and get ready for a good time with Michael Symon, Carla Hall, and Clinton Kelly. Let's get into it.
I'm Carla Hall. This is Michael Symon. And that, my friends, is Clinton Kelly. Welcome to Chewed Up Bites. Clinton Kelly, you're always giving people a second chance, maybe, or are you? No, not people, things.
I like
the revenge of the chicken.
I mean, we're talking about leftovers, and what do you bought something, you're all excited about it, and you still have stuff left on the second day. What are you gonna do with it?
It's the ultimate rotisserie chicken makeover.
That's it.
I'm making over the rotisserie chicken. All right, so we've all been in that place, right? Where you got chicken from the night before left over. Damon and I probably have this salad once a week. It's a Saturday afternoon salad for us because we make a lot of chicken in my house. Why? Because we love roast chicken, but also we love chicken bones. Why? Stock.
Yeah.
We are literally obsessed. Why? Why? Soup. Yeah.
Why do we love chicken stock? Soup. Why do we love soup? Gay soup time. I love when a story comes together.
Right, there you go. That's my whole life right there. So we make usually when we roast a chicken, we roast 2 chickens.
Yeah.
So that we have an extra chicken to do fun stuff with afterwards. That sounds weird. So this is sort of a take on the Chinese chicken salad that's very popular in a lot of restaurants.
Wolfgang Puck made it famous. I feel at a restaurant called Chinois back at the day.
Oh, is he the one who?
Yeah, because forever on menus it used to be called the Chinois chicken salad.
Oh.
Was it really?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
I have it.
Look at that, I learned something new today. So
I'm here for you.
It's just a very simple vinaigrette of olive oil, rice wine vinegar. I always have that around the house. And for some citrusy tang. I don't have the hand strength that Michael Symon does to squeeze limes. I'm squeezing limes. Oh, that's the trick. I use a citrus juicer at home.
So does Liz, but this is always next to you. Look at the power that you have now.
Power of that. Little soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
You know, as you're talking about all of the things that you're putting out, what was that last ingredient?
Oh, this is sesame oil, which I think is the secret ingredient.
Nice. I think you make this every Saturday. I think when you have certain things that you make, it informs what your pantry is going to have in it, what things that you need. So don't ask another person who doesn't live with you or eat with you that you really don't know. What should you have in your pantry?
But I do have some good news for everybody.
Whoa.
What's that?
If you don't have some of these things in your fridge or pantry, it doesn't matter because Fresh Direct could get them to you like that.
That's what's
Bam,
okay. That's
bam.
what's up. We give a recipe. They call Fresh Direct. They can get everything.
Yeah, all the
Bam.
ingredients are coming, and like you can buy whole, you could probably buy sliced. You could make your life easier with that. So thank you, Fresh Direct.
Thank you, Fresh
Thank you,
Direct.
Fresh Direct.
I'm a big believer in testing your vinaigrette or your salad dressing with some kind of vegetable that you're going to be eating it on. I feel like if you put it on your finger, it tastes different than it would on your that is good.
Because you don't want to say, Michael, give me your finger.
Yeah, but could you imagine? Michael, give me your finger. I want to taste this dressing.
More.
All right, so obviously a salad, it needs some vegetables. I'm not using any lettuce here at all. I use some, I like cabbage, red cabbage. It's also a feast for the eyes. Some shredded carrots.
Yeah, it is one of the things I think that's funny sometimes is, like salad doesn't mean lettuce.
Yeah,
Right.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of people just think of it directly as lettuce.
Yeah.
Unless people say potato salad, egg salad, pasta salad. But other than that, I've put salads on menus before, and people are like, "Where's the lettuce?"
Yeah, right,
Like, you know.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. I had a beet salad the other day, and it had so much lettuce. I was like, what the hell?
I get mad the other way. Yeah, I'm like too.
It was a beet salad.
False advertising. And all right, so I also put in some sliced red bell pepper. This is bok choy.
Oh.
Most grocery stores, I would say almost all the grocery stores now have raw, fresh bok choy.
Yeah.
When you slice it up, it's so crunchy. This is what, as you know, I don't really love celery, but I love
I was just thinking.
raw
this
bok
This
choy.
is your celery.
Substitute.
Little
since you
crunch.
don't like celery.
Delicious.
Crunchy and delicious.
And it's tender. It's a little more tender than celery.
Yeah, and you do
more
have leaves
flavor.
on the bok choy as well.
Love.
And then some scallions as well.
Scallions.
Scallions. A nice
Love
handful of
scallions.
those. I'm gonna give that a toss with some vinaigrette. Sometimes, a lot of times I do this on the mandolin to get it nice and thin.
Did you just want to say mandolin?
Yep, mandolin.
I was looking at this, thinking color, pattern, texture, and then you poured that dressing on, like, there's the shine.
There's the shine right there. So I give it a little stir. Now, if I don't do it on the mandolin, and I sliced it maybe, because this cabbage is a little bit thicker than I would normally slice it, I let it sit a little bit like this. It softens the veggies up a little bit. So, and then I add just a little bit of shredded chicken, shredded rotisserie chicken, or the roasted chicken I had the night before. I'm gonna give a little bit more of the dressing to that.
Oh, it's a beauty. And this is a great lunch.
It's a great, I gotta
lunch.
tell you,
Yeah, it makes
it's a
you happy.
great lunch. It makes you happy.
Yeah.
Now you could put something crunchy, like those fried wontons wrappers or something on there, or you could buy the noodles already pre-made. I feel like it doesn't need it to me. That's just me. Or you could put a crouton on here if you felt like it. And
But you already have all that crunch.
Yeah.
I love it.
And this is truly like a lot of times people say eat the colors of the rainbow kind of thing. You know, this
totally
is a great
are.
example of that.
Totally are.
Sesame seeds would be nice.
Sesame, I do toasted sesame seeds sometimes. Just have fun. Just have fun, be yourself. Have fun, be yourself.
Feel
And
them out, Carla.
it's like one of those sort of guilt-free lunches. You're getting your veg in. You're getting your fiber. You're getting your protein. You're getting your I gotta get my macros. Gotta get my macros.
Well, let me tell you. So my mother has dementia.
I'm not laughing at your mother.
No, I know. She's like,
I'm laughing at him with the macros. Okay, go.
macros. No, but I literally will send her. If you look at the text to my mother, I'm like, "What's your protein plan today, Mama? What's your protein plan?" And now I'm like, "What's your fiber plan, girl? What's your?" And my mother never forgets to say, "All right, I'm eating my protein." Like she can forget your name, she can forget all the things, but she will not forget.
Quit pressuring me on the protein.
Yeah,
Carla.
exactly. It is so funny.
Yeah, quit pressuring me on the protein. Because that wasn't a thing. Like, look, when our parents grew up, that wasn't like a thing.
No.
Yeah.
You
right.
know?
When our parents grew up, it was a meat, veg, and starch, right?
Yeah.
That's what it was. That's what I was growing up to. We had a meat, a veg, and a starch and
Yeah.
everything. It wasn't like
Right.
your macros. You got to hit a protein
Oh
goal.
my God.
All right, guys, should we have
All right.
a little bite? That was fast.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
This is also the kind of thing that you can do. You can use two things you can do: buy the pre-shredded vegetables,
Yeah.
you know, or just like prep the vegetables the night before, put them in the refrigerator, like in a glass container with like a damp paper towel over them, and they'll stay nice. So, great. Okay, here we go. Here's my Saturday lunch, guys.
You know what's so funny? When you talk about your meals, you know how our parents have 5 things to take us through the week, and then you have a fun day? I think pretty much, if we run the tape, we probably know what you have every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
I know, it's true. I'm sort of running out of, like, this is how I eat lately.
Yeah.
Yeah. But my Friday night and my Saturday
Are the
nights
fun.
are my crazy
Well, I
nights.
think too, when you're like, you've been very conscious of your health lately. And when you're conscious of your health, it is, if you have a plan, like a
100%.
set plan, especially for 5 days a week, it's much easier to like, okay, this is how I'm gonna prep it, this is how I'm gonna execute it, this is how I'm gonna eat. And like, you get those 5 days without thinking too much.
I know.
But you get variety though too. I mean, when I was doing my plan, I had the same thing every day for like 3 months. Like literally 6 meals every day. the same.
Oh, wow, I couldn't do that.
Yeah.
It was hard.
I'd lose my
But
mind.
this,
It's sort of like, this is just, it's delicious for me. It's clean eating.
Eat your protein.
Protein, get your macros. You know, this is, it's kind of a weird thing to say on a food-centric show like ours, but I had a realization. I was like, not every single meal has to be like a treat.
An experience.
An experience.
100%.
Like sometimes food can just sort of keep you alive. And I feel like, you know, a salad that's loaded with vegetables that still tastes great. You know, you have to sort of wrap your head around the fact that you don't need something that's like going to be a 3,000 calorie lunch.
Yeah, you know what, like, it's funny, like, I always talk about, like, peanut butter and jelly. And, like, most of the meals I eat, I probably make them a little bit more of an experience than that. But it's, like, a lot of times I get, I get menu ideas in my head, and I say, hey, I'm gonna play around, I wanna try this tonight, or try this today, or try this. And I cook a lot of things at home that are, like, dishes that I might wanna put on a menu, you know? So we do a lot of that. And then, like, when I'm not doing that or going out to, like, a restaurant that I love, that's why the peanut butter and jelly is, like, my standard, like, I'm just gonna have peanut butter and jelly. Because I'm always eating kind of crazy stuff all the time.
But also, if you're constantly doing math in your head, not math, but like equations in your head of like, what could possibly go with this on a menu? And it's like, you have to think a lot about that. A lot of thought goes into that planning. So peanut butter and jelly, like zero
You don't want to have
thought.
to think about it.
Yeah, zero.
Yeah, peanut butter and jelly, or like, you know, like a turkey melt. That's my other like quickie.
Oh, yeah.
Or just
A
a
sliced turkey
or a
with-
good omelet. Yeah.
Right. Nice.
Like those are like my like kind of like go-tos, and I don't really worry about what are my macros.
Gotta get my macro.
Hey, real quick,
We'll make this fast. We promise.
if you're watching us on YouTube, hit that like button right now. Don't wait.
And subscribe. It's free. It costs you nothing. $0.
If you're on Spotify, follow the show. Apple Podcasts, follow. Anywhere you listen, follow.
We are the Chewed Up Show, part of All Chewed Up channel.
And we are everywhere. So if you found us,
Subscribe. Tell your friends and family. It's free. There's no excuse.
Like, subscribe, follow. Do it.
You may have noticed some of the boards and plates we're using. Those are all from Frontgate, including some from my very own collection.
They've got everything from outdoor furniture to decor to entertaining essentials, all made with quality, comfort, and style in mind.
and since most of it is designed in-house, you can't find their pieces anywhere else.
Frontgate, thanks for making our spread look so good.
For more information, go to frontgate.com.
This is delicious.
Thank you.
Oh, it's so good.
No,
Really.
glad you like it.
And I think this is like one of those things that you've made it your own. It's like a classic sale now, but you've made it your own. You know how you like it.
Totally.
And that's the beautiful thing about food. Like you were saying, like, sometimes sesame, I don't think it needs the strips, you know,
It's like it's
and
just
you
pared down.
customize it to yourself.
We were listening to a podcast about a gut specialist about the microbiome.
Yeah.
And this guy was saying that you should eat like 30 different things a week.
Oh, wow.
Like 30
Yeah.
different types of things. So
Yeah.
it's like we're like, all right, so there are like 6 different types of vegetables here.
I'll bet you know what? I don't do any of that counting shit or whatever. But like, I'll bet you I do that every week.
30 different.
Yeah, because Liz and I are very like we'll go to the farmer's market.
Right.
Oh, let's get this, let's get that. We'll try
Yeah.
this. You want to do that? You know, like so we eat very randomly.
But I
You know,
like
yeah.
that challenge. I like that challenge. You can ask yourself, if you write down everything, take a week, y'all, write down everything that you're eating. Is it 5, 10, 15? How close to 30 do you get? I'm gonna do that challenge.
Yeah.
You like a challenge.
I love a challenge.
How do you feel about fan mail?
I love fan mail. I love a dance.
3, 2, 1. You got fan mail.
What is going on? Wow.
God, it's getting rough.
It's,
It's getting rough.
but you guys were in sync there.
We were? Yeah.
Did you did you talk that through?
No, we didn't.
You did the same dance.
Really?
Oh,
I just watched the whole thing.
I'm
out.
so scared we're having mind meld. Oh, CNC
my
mind meld.
melt. Can we get a soup week for the gay soup diet?
By the way, this
I
was
know you got
Rotisserie Chicken
two-
Week. And you didn't even realize it was Rotisserie Chicken Week. Sucker, we got you.
I did realize it was rotisserie chicken.
And you didn't complain about it?
No,
You hate
because
the same week.
I'm losing. I hate the weak thing, but I'm losing the battle. I know.
You're not.
I am.
think it shows the breadth of something. I think that we can show people how, if they have an ingredient, they can work
We could
around
bore
it.
you if you have an ingredient. We could bore you with it all week.
You're such an ass.
I know.
You are
Okay.
really an ass.
So what about what? I tell you what, I think Clinton may do a gay soup diet cookbook. So how about that?
I'm really considering it.
Yeah.
For the new year, though, like a reset. It's not a diet, it's a reset.
I think you should do a gay soup for every day of the year.
365 gay soups?
Yeah.
Wow, that's too much gay for me.
But also, what do you do with your leftovers? I mean,
360 plus days of
I'm not
gay
that
soup.
gay. I'll do the bi soup diet.
You do 100 soups, and then you do broccoli cheddar, like all the clam chowder.
That would be hilarious.
Yeah, you know.
Go from the gay soup to like straight man soup. To the spectrum. Sexuality is a spectrum.
Yeah.
100%. Real men don't eat gay
You
soup.
have your brothy soup over here.
That's
You
what
have
you should name the book.
Wow. Michael cracking himself
I'm
up. That's
tired.
good, though. It's funny.
I'm tired.
All right.
We've done 12 shows today.
We have one more here. I know you guys do recipe makeovers. Would you do a fashion makeover with CK?
Who? Makeover who? I would never make over either. First of all, Carla, you take such, not just pride in your outfits, but you have so much fun with clothing that I would never, ever change anything about the way you dress. Not one thing ever. Michael, I would change, but I don't have the energy, and I'm too old for that.
But you know what it is, too?
No, I know. I'm teasing you.
Well, I'm getting ready to drive to Philly, so I have on driving clothes right now. But like in real life, I'm a decent.
Your driving clothes are really similar to your clothes.
Well, the last couple shows, I just wanted to be comfortable. I'm going to be honest. I've gained a couple pounds. None of my nice clothes fit real good anymore. I haven't been on the gay soup diet. Don't feel bad for me. I don't give a shit. I'm still happy as a pig and shit. I'm happy as a plant. But like, it's not about I'm not happy that I'm wearing these clothes because I'm sad. My other clothes don't fit.
So in the comments,
I'm relying very much on hoodies and sweatpants and such because I am not, as you know, my clothes, even though I sometimes don't look real fancy, are expensive.
Yes.
And I'm not buying them all new again. I'm going to fit back in the ones that fit. The 32 waist will fit again soon.
All right, this feels like work for me. I mean, I feel like this is an episode of What Not to Wear.
It's not.
I've heard this story literally 10,000 times. I bought houses based on giving advice on this.
It's not what not to wear because I don't give a shit what he said. I'm going to wear what I want to wear.
and I want you to hear what Michael said.
Whatever the fuck I want. I'm going to wear whatever the fuck I want. Another one of your shows. Could be worse. I could be dressed like Guy.
And then the show of Why Do You Wear That? That's another show.
One more.
Why'd they wear that?
I could star in all your shows.
Yeah, Why They Wear That.
Give me a case
Y'all,
study.
we appreciate you. We're going to do one more thing because we have the fan
of the
of
day. Fan of the day.
Oh, fan of the May.
You are the fan of the day.
Oh, you were late.
I was late with my point.
Carla, get the fan. Carla, get the fan.
I was so focused on the dance.
Oh my God. Guys, just so you know, our schedules are so diverse and we live in different parts of the country. So to get us all together, we have to batch shoot these shows. And so we've been shooting for a long time. We are punch drunk at this
Today
point.
is the last show of the batch.
Yeah.
So we've seen a lot of each other, talked to a lot of each
Which
other.
is fun.
It's great.
But we're a little
But
wacky.
we're a little
It's
wacky now.
Great. This person.
Read the fan. Gotta go.
Michael of Gainesville, Florida, you are the fan of the day. Everybody else, keep sending your names in. You'll go into the bucket. And you know what? Have a great day, everybody!
Bye!
Chewed up.
Thanks for tuning in to Chewed Up. And thanks to our sponsors, Fresh Direct and Frontgate, for making this show possible. New episodes drop every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. To subscribe, snag recipes, and dig into all the extra fun, head to allchewedup.com. Or just click subscribe to Chewed Up Show on YouTube and wherever you get your podcasts. Now go and make a mess in your own kitchen.